Let's start the sign-up process of QuickVitals. First, click on the QuickVitals app on your screen. Now, sign up with your registered mobile number or email ID. Enter the OTP, read the terms and conditions. Tick the box and click Verify. On the top, click the 3 lines. You will see the Edit Profile option. Click on Edit Profile and enter your details. First, enter your name. Then, enter your last name. Enter your email ID and verify it. Enter your date of birth. Select your gender. Enter your height in centimeters. Enter your weight. Now, go to the smoking section. If you smoke, press Yes. If you don't smoke, press No. Next, enter your address, your city, your state, and your PIN code. Then, press Submit. Now your profile is set. At the bottom, press the Home option. You will return to the home page. Click on the Subscribe option. Choose the plan that suits you and press Continue. You will now see the bill details. Proceed to the payment page. Choose your preferred payment option and continue. Now you're ready to scan with QuickVitals.